Hello all, welcome to the Surveypod tutorial playlist. This playlist deals with the smart features in Surveypod DGNSS. In this video, we will see how to measure the points recorded inside the app. Open the Surveypod app and go to the Survey tab. Enter your project and here you can see your current location with the base map. Suppose you have taken the points and want to measure the points. Click on the side arrow and go to calculation. A new window opens with your recorded points. Click on any one point and then click the other to measure the distance. You can also add other points to continue measuring. In order to calculate an area, make a polygon. Now you get the area and perimeter. This is how you do measurements. With this, we come to the end of the video. I hope you understood how to measure the points inside the app. And thank you for watching the video.